In our October newsletter, we've curated everything you need to create impactful, relevant content for your real estate business throughout the month of October. Plus, we've included a special section covering recent social media platform changes to keep you ahead of the game. Be sure to download the full newsletter for all the important details, as we'll only be covering the highlights here. So as we approach the final quarter of the year, it is really the perfect time to reflect, reset, and move forward with renewed determination to close the year out strong and set next year off on the right foot. So whether this year has been filled with success or brought some unexpected challenges, as I know it has for all of us, now is your chance to make sure that you finish strong. With the ever-changing real estate market and the latest social media trends, staying adaptable and proactive is more crucial than ever. So let's dive in. Are you ready to embrace the cozy vibes of fall? Well, our October challenge is the 15 Days of Fall Inspiration campaign. For the next 15 days, we challenge you to showcase everything that makes fall fabulous. Kick things off with some indoor home decor. Think warm tones, soft blankets, and those irresistible pumpkin spice candles. Maybe even share a fall DIY project or two. Consider sharing top tips for transforming your indoor space into a fall haven. Once you have given your indoor tips, move outside to your outdoor fall tips with ideas to spruce up those porches and patios. A few pumpkins here, a cozy seating area there, and make sure to tell your audience how a little effort goes a long way. Next, you can dive into seasonal home maintenance. Gutter cleaning, checking your heating systems, and weatherproofing are all essential tasks that your audience will be thankful you reminded them about. Next up is highlighting local businesses. Give a shout out to some of your favorite spots with the best fall treats in town. And don't forget to ask your audience for their favorites too. Last but not least, make sure to let everyone know about community activities and events. There's so much to do, from fall festivals to pumpkin patches, so share a list of events your audience won't want to miss. Make sure you approach this challenge with a mindset of not just sharing tips, but also inviting your audience to join the conversation. And remember, we go into more detail in our newsletter. This is a fantastic way to celebrate the season and strengthen your community bonds. So, are you in? Our flow suggestions to share go hand in hand with the Stay in Flow challenge. They include suggestions such as showcasing your local expertise by highlighting small businesses in your area, sharing some seasonal home selling tips, fall curb appeal ideas, and of course, Q4 market updates as we round out the year. Your audience will appreciate your knowledge and insights. And for additional content to share, make sure to check out our social media holidays list. Remember that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We suggest launching a social media campaign or challenge by creating a Pink Day challenge. Encourage followers to wear pink, snap a photo, and share it on social media to help spread awareness. But there are also a lot of fun social media holidays to post about. From World Smile Day on Friday, October 4th, to National Pumpkin Day on Saturday, October 26th. Make sure to check them all out in the newsletter. With these tips, you'll keep your audience engaged and your social media popping all October long. Happy posting. And lastly, the newest addition to our monthly newsletter is our Social Snapshot. This section will cover some platform updates that are worthwhile for you to review and know about as you continue to level up your social media game. So, let's dive into some game-changing updates you can't miss. First up, Instagram has doubled the carousel post limit to 20 photos or videos. That's right, more content, less hassle. Next, Instagram is shifting focus to views as the main engagement metric, something we have been hoping would be made official for a long time. Whether it's Reels, Stories, or Posts, it is now Instagram official that views are more important than anything. Over on Facebook, Advanced Protection is here to safeguard your account. Featuring two-factor authentication and hacking threat monitoring, you're in safe hands. Many of our clients have gotten this notification and are concerned it is a scam, but rest assured, it is a good thing. And LinkedIn? They've launched in-feed video carousels, allowing you to share multiple videos in one post. Think of the storytelling possibilities. Endless. That's your social snapshot for this month, but make sure to get more details in the newsletter. And that wraps up our October newsletter video highlights. Again, make sure to download the newsletter and subscribe here for more updates and monthly videos and newsletters.